Are you wondering how to do a rollover trick on your mini drone? So when it comes to the rollovers, it's actually very easy. First, when you actually fly this drone, so you actually need like very good amount of space around you before you actually attempt to do this. So once you basically fly it and you have enough space around you, what you are going to do is you're going to simply press this button once on the corner, and while it beeps, essentially press either on the left side or right side. So if you basically want to do rollover basically like this on the right side in the air, you would press this and on the right side. But if you want to do it on the other way around, press this one and again that. By the way, if you are looking to get this drone, I have a special discount link in the description that you can use to get it for only a bit over $10 on AliExpress. And that also includes free shipping for this price. I think this drone is absolutely fantastic. Not only we get really top of the line build quality, also very nice rollover tricks, obviously, also like very easy to control, and yeah, also the durability overall, and yeah, basically how it looks also is absolutely great. So when it comes to all cheap drones, I think this probably is the best one out there. Good luck.